Spring has finally arrived, and it's the perfect time for a deep clean. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and fumes, and hello to Thieves Kitchen Bath Scrub, the all-naturally derived cleaning solution for your home. This incredible product is tough on messes and gentle on surfaces, making it the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Using it is easy and effortless. Simply sprinkle the scrub onto a wet surface or sponge, like your kitchen sink, and watch as it removes build-up grease, dirt and residue with ease. The scrub's naturally derived formula ensures there's no need to worry about harsh fumes or residue, leaving your home clean and fresh. And with the power of the Thieves blend and sodium carbonate peroxide, it's a mighty cleaning boost that you can trust. Plus, baking soda gently absorbs odors, leaving behind a lovely citrus scent. Rinse the surface clean and enjoy your sparkling fresh kitchen. Thieves Kitchen Bath Scrub is a must-have for anyone looking for an effective cleaning solution that is both tough on messes and gentle on surfaces.